Alright, got a Whirlpool or Maytag, the same company, dryer, and the switch does this. Look, you gotta change the switch to get it off. There's little clippy dudes right here. There's one over here. Stick a bar in it, pop it. Take out the horrible lint thing, which is filled with dog hair. Remove these two screws. Whole thing goes up. Oh my god, the dust in here. And there's your switch, and there's your excess. So you can change it. Oh my god, this is bad. Dirty. Alright, don't bother with these tabs. Just stick something between the here and there. Pulls off. 2 screws on the bottom, Phillips. Plug in new switch.